So we have been talking about chemical bonding, and we've talked a lot about how we've come to understand over the last 100 years how chemical bonding works. But I worry that sometimes because of that, we think that chemical bonding is something of the past and not something that's really relevant to what's occurring in science right now. And so for our scientist of the day today, I wanted to share with you a person who is using chemical bonding in a really important way. So this is Jiangang. He is an Asian chemist, and he is currently researching at Northwestern University. And his focus is on chemical bond lattices. And how can we use chemical bond lattices to transmit electricity more effectively than our current way of conducting electricity through wires? So these should probably look pretty familiar to you. They look pretty much like any of the chemical bond models, like molecular models that we have looked at before. So this should be pretty familiar. But then let's look at what Jiangang is actually researching. And that's this. So he is taking very simple models of molecules and then building them up into these large lattice structures to see if we can make structures on a molecular level that are better at transmitting electricity. And this is research that is fundamental for improving our electronics, but also improving the effectiveness of our electrical grid so that we aren't wasting electricity. So chemical bonding is still very much a really important aspect of science in our current scientific research.